Shri S.P. Majumdar ji, founder and president of Symbiosis International University. Dr. Vidya ji, Pro VC, Symbiosis International University. Dr. Rajni Gupte ji, Vice Chancellor, professors, and dear students of Symbiosis. I'm currently in Jammu and Kashmir, where the first DDC elections have just been held. And I'm grateful to the Symbiosis that they have given me an opportunity to address the students of one of the most premium institutes of the country. And my address today is from India's frontier region, Jammu and Kashmir. Unlike this northern frontier region, you too will one day be putting India's interest first. One day you will be the founders, CEOs, and CFOs leading the forefront. You will be fighting boardroom battles to set new benchmarks in corporate excellence. On a lighter note, though, there are some CEOs who fight battles in court and some who quote corporate battles. But having said that, along the way, you will find obstacles that you must learn from the opportunities that you must leverage. And in the process, you will make friends and foes. You will be in the driver's seat, shaping the destiny of the company and dividends for the investors. I'm saying this because the world when you entered Symbiosis will be very different when you exit and graduate. The expectations will be high from you, by the parents, and from the teachers, faculty. Today the world around us has changed. Our lives, our livelihoods, our outlook towards life has also changed.